A major explosion occurred at the Nagaon police station on the outskirts of Srinagar on Friday, which left 9 dead and about 32 injured. According to officials, the blast was accidental and took place during the handling of 360-kilogram explosive material seized from rented house of Dr. Muzammil in Haryana's Faridabad. The authorities were trying to extract samples of the large cache of explosives taken by security personnel after the busting of the white-collar terror module. The blast also comes weeks after posters threatening police officials and security personnel surfaced on the walls of Banpura in Nagaon in mid-October. Here's a detailed report.
4 days after Delhi's Red Fort blast, Srinagar was rocked by a powerful explosion. On the outskirts of Srinagar at the Nagaon police station, a massive explosion ripped through the compound at 11:22 p.m. on Friday, turning a forensic operation into a devastating tragedy.
Sources say that the explosives that were recovered in Faridabad, they were handed over to the Jammu and Kashmir police. Some explosives also from UP, and they were brought in because the protocol says that the police station which had the first FIR, which is investigating it, the explosives should come there, and it seems sampling and they were checking these explosives when they went off.
Several people lost their lives, with many more being injured, mostly police personnel and forensic experts. Among the dead, an SIA inspector, 3 FSL experts, 2 crime branch photographers, 2 revenue department officials and a civilian tailor who was present at the station. The Jammu Kashmir DGP and the Ministry of Home Affairs have ruled out any terror angle, calling it a tragic accidental explosion.
The handling was being done with extreme caution, with utmost caution by the FSL team. However, unfortunately, during this course, last night around 11:20 p.m., an accidental explosion has taken place.
14 नवंबर 2025 यानी कि कल रात को लगभग 11:20 बजे अचानक एक्सीडेंटल विस्फोट हुआ। इस दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना में 9 लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई और 27 पुलिसकर्मी, 2 राजस्व अधिकारी और 3 नागरिक घायल हुए।
The volatile material had been recovered from Faridabad, linked to arrested Dr. Muzammil, part of a massive 360 kg cache stored at the station as evidence.
This was the impact of the blast. It was so strong that it also damaged the buildings nearby. There are houses in the vicinity of this police station, the Nagaon police station, and you see how the whole area has been now evacuated. People have been injured. More than 27 people are injured as per the police. There are civilians also injured. And you see more buildings, impact on more buildings is visible. So the police station has been damaged, destroyed. 9 lives have been lost. More than 27 people have been injured. There are certain people who are still missing.
A terror case's evidence becoming a disaster of its own. As the nation now mourns the lives lost, a wreath-laying ceremony was held in Srinagar. With Mir Farid and Shivani Sharma in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.